What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Fit Friends. So I got a quick one for you guys today. We are gonna change the headlights and the taillights on the Fit. Just the bulbs though, because I ain't rich. As you can see, I have a DRL out, so let's fix that. So step one is to have a bird directly on your hood. And if you want a little more room, put your guy right there instead of up here. Honestly, this is pretty simple. So all you're gonna do is, so in here, you're gonna unplug this clip right here, just pull it right out, it should pop right off like that. Then it's gonna grommet here. Pull the grommet, might take a little bit of effort, but it should just pop right off, as so. And then in here, so there's a little bar, it's that guy right there. So you press down on that. So I couldn't quite do it on camera, but that's the bar. You press down on that tab and pull up, and then the bulb will release. And here's the bulb. You can see that's the DRL, that little link. There should be something there, but there's not. So anyways, that's the problem. Let's replace that bulb. And when you're taking these out of the packaging, I always try to make it a point to not touch the actual bulb part. The back is fine, but just good practice. You don't want your oils on those glass. Now it's not exactly easy to see on camera, but those tabs on the outside, so they'll all slide into slots down there. So just make sure you line it up right. Those prongs, like that top prong goes well towards the top, and you should be good. You just press that little bar back into place and hold the bulb in and put the grommet back in, plug it in, then you're good to go. And ta-da! I have a DRL again. So I'm just gonna replace this side because I have a new bulb, why not? And then we'll do the rear tail lamps. So for the rear, all you really gotta do is pop this one out, got a little pry bar, and it's gonna be the lower, what do you call it, bulb here. You just grab it, twist it counterclockwise, pull it out, and then you can pull out that bulb and replace it. So anyways, just pull the bulb out, pop the new guy in, put it back in the hole, get it to line up and spin it clockwise, and then you're good. And it's just the same thing on the other side. It's just you pop that one cover off, pull the bottom bulb out, and then you're good to go. Yeah, that's all, guys. Hopefully this helped you. If it did, just give me a like, maybe a subscribe, and stay tuned for more content, guys. See you later.
Hey, thank you, sir. Come again.